Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, it's already 5 minutes to 3 o'clock. Yeah, I just got home and I already took a shower actually. And now I am preparing my meal. Nice weather outside, blue sky, a little bit windy, but yeah, the temperature is okay. Yeah, I have this chicken. It's okay. Good afternoon guys. Yeah, it's already 3:21. Yeah, today my duty was in the morning breakfast. And I finished at 2 o'clock. And I have been here editing the video. Actually watching a video, watching a vlog.
What's your name? Jan. Literally, he bites and you're done. And yeah, it's like a nice little, like an egg fried rice with pork. What are you used to having?
Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, the time now is already 10 o'clock. Yeah, this morning I had my breakfast, which is the burger and egg. And then after that I had this coffee. And actually I just finished it. And look at my working table. Yeah, so much mess. All this cable, this kind of adapter, this camera. Yeah, messy. Battery, keyboard. Yeah, not so good. And this mess, this receipt, lighter, and these things. Battery, bottles. So much mess. Even in my dishwashing, because I just finished eating, I just put it there. I haven't washed it yet. No good. And so I said, no, I will stop editing. I need to organize first the things around me. Yeah, it's not good to work when it is like this. So basically what happened is that, I was editing my video. And then I realized that I lost one of my footages that I made, that I filmed in my previous camping. Yeah, the time lapse of the sky while I was sleeping. Yeah, and so I was trying to recover the footages, but I didn't able to do that. That's why a lot of mess in here. I already cleaned the floor, and now I am trying to fold this one. This is my old sleeping bag. This is actually at 12 degrees centigrade. And the new one that I have is 0 degrees centigrade. That's why I said to you that that one is really good. I didn't feel cold during the time that I was sleeping. Nice. I bought this sleeping bag because of my bike packing. Yeah, finally I finished. And also I already took a shower because I am ready to go to work. It is now 1:30. I am just preparing my coffee. Yeah, look at that. It is really good when it is clean, organized. Yeah, really nice. It looks clean, it looks good. it feels good. And yeah, upon cleaning, I discovered this sunglass of mine, the old one. And yeah, the coating of this is actually already like removing by itself. If I scratch it with the fingernail, it's become dirt. I didn't able to eat. I was really cravings for rice, but the time now is already 1:45. Yeah, that's why I bought this protein bar. I still have 15 minutes to start my journey. Nothing special. I will have that for dinner. And look, I don't have any more egg. Yeah, because in the grocery they don't have the big one, the 30 pieces. And it is now 20 minutes to 11 o'clock. My duty today is 2 o'clock. It is now already 1:20 and I'm now preparing my coffee. I am going to work now. And I actually won't be able to finish this coffee this time. This one will stay in the car and I will drink it again later at 5 o'clock during my break time. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, I'm here already at the workplace. I didn't block in the house. I just arrived. It is now 1:44. So yeah, I still have 15 minutes to start my duty. And yeah, I have my coffee. This is going to stay here. And I will have that later on my break time. I'm not sure about the weather. Maybe it is going to rain later. Just like yesterday was like this. But in the night when I got home, there was a little rain. I'm actually already wearing my uniform. Yeah, ready to go. Yeah. When I own my bike before, I am not wearing my uniform because yeah, I don't want to be judged. Like people will say, "Oh, you're a chef." I always say when people ask me if I am a chef, I'm a just ordinary cook. I said like that. Here in the car, it's okay, especially that it is covered with this. And today is actually my last day of working because tomorrow I will be day off, 2 days. I hope the weather is good so that we can go somewhere for camping. Yeah, I don't know yet, but... And do you know that I still don't understand this range, 455 kilometers? I don't know that. And this 541.2 kilometer, I don't know that too. This one I know. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is now 9:10. Yeah, 9:10. I am editing a video and my laundry actually just finished. Not all, but I still have this whites and yeah, my daily clothes. So yeah, I just put my laundry outside. Those are just the trouser and apron. I am going to soak the white. During winter, expect that you're going to have a lot of laundry yet to wash. Yeah, it depends on how many times you take a shower. Yeah, I take shower normally every day, and so I always have a lot of laundry. Yeah, my uniform, my daily, my inside clothing, the sweater, the jacket. Of course, yeah, for sure there are some people who don't take shower every day because of this very cold temperature. Oh, yesterday my chef gave me a tip 50, 60, $65. Yeah, after a very long time. Just now again we had the tip. And I am day off today and tomorrow. And again I am planning to go driving, but I don't know where. Also, yeah, I'm editing a video. Also, I don't have much money. But yeah, I don't know. We maybe are still going even if I don't have much money. But I want to finish that video first to be uploaded. Yeah, before going. Also this laundry, of course.